The National Shakespeare Day and the English Language Day is celebrated annually on April 23rd, which is the anniversary of both William Shakespeare's birth and death. In order to pay the tribute to one of the greatest and most recognized playwrights in the world, and to put an emphasis on his global significance and enduring popularity, as well as his profound impact on the English language, our 7th grade students prepared the school play, To Be or Not to Be, with their English language teachers. Taking into account the fact that the curriculum is mainly focused on grammar, one of the priorities for English language teachers should be to motivate their students to develop love for reading. So, our teachers wanted to support their students to participate in this adaptation and stage performance of one of the most famous Shakespeare's tragedies, Hamlet. This was an excellent opportunity for our students to demonstrate their undeniable creativity and to raise the level of appreciation of literature and art in general. Our English teacher, Dragana Radojcic, speaks for School TV.
The National Shakespeare Day and English Language Day is celebrated every year on April 23rd, the date which is traditionally observed as the birthday and the date of death of William Shakespeare. Being one of the most iconic and most famous English playwrights, the profound impact of William Shakespeare on the English language is prevalent even to this day. The celebration of the English Language Day sheds light on the global significance of the English language as a medium for an effective communication, cultural exchange, and international diplomacy. Although the curriculum should incorporate some fundamental disciplines like literature and grammar, it is mainly focused on grammar. So apart from teaching grammar, developing love for reading should be one of the priorities for all English language teachers in the world. We should try, as educators, to motivate our students to read, rather than to be focused only on grammatical anatomizing of language. Literature has the power to change the world. It serves as a corrective mirror to society and a perfect platform for self-reflection, which leads to final result of reading, which is obviously catharsis or emotional purification, because the circle of mimesis ends in readers themselves. So it is very important for our students to read. Speaking of mimesis, it is important to say that Shakespeare's plays are quintessentially mimetic. They transcend the accidents of history and they probe the universal human condition, taking into account the fact that literature is orientated towards reality and taking into account the fact that there is a reciprocity between society and art. It is very important for us as educators to try to motivate our students to read in order to be able to recreate and re-establish the world we live in and make it a better place.